Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find your transaction history in Binance. So yeah, let's get started. So now in front of me is front page of Binance, and from here, so what you will have to do is go to your wallet and then go to fiat and spot, and now we will have to wait for it until it opens. So yeah, once it has opened, you can see this option of transaction history right here, and now we will have to click on that, and now we are gonna wait until it opens. And now once it has opened, you are here, you can generate your transaction history by clicking on this option right here, which says generate all statements. And once you click on that, this window is gonna appear, and now from here you can generate your transaction history of the period of the time period of your liking. And now once you have selected the time period, now what you have to do is click on generate, and that's it. Now your transaction history will be generated.